Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the filter to a photo in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on photo editor. Then we have to select the picture that we would like to edit. Let's say it's this one. On add, and then in the bottom row we just swipe to the right and then tap on filters. Here we have a lot of filters that we can use, for example this one, and then set the intensity of it in the below like this. We have a lot of different kind of settings like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.